Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. I'm Danielle Cook, and I will be with you every week for as long as the U.S. Botanic Garden is unable to offer its regular on-site programming. When the weather gets hot, I turn to salads, and today we have a Fiesta bean salad. But first, we're going to pay a visit to the other cook sister, Adrienne, and let's see what she's been up to.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. Today we're going to be talking about beans and bean picking and bean harvest and growing beans.
You could plant beans from President's Day until Labor Day. Dig a shallow trench. Depending on the variety of bean that you grow, some seeds are white and others are quite dark. Space seeds every 3 to 4 inches in the trench. Cover the seeds with 1 to 2 inches of soil and tamp it down. Cover your seed bed with a light sprinkling of mulch to keep moisture in the ground. They can sprout in as fast as 1 week. And in 2 weeks, they're really getting going. Sow them in rows or clumps rather than buying individual plants. Low-growing bush beans are the most popular type of bean to grow in the home garden. One of my favorites is the skinny French filet bean. And its cousin from Italy, the Roma. So delicious in minestrones.
There are several summery ingredients in the Fiesta bean salad, but let's start by preparing the green beans. Remove the tip of the bean, leave the tail, and cut them into 3 or 4 pieces, depending on how long they are. Drop the pieces into boiling water and cook for 7 minutes. While the beans are cooking, let's make the dressing. A 1/4 cup of this beautiful purple onion will be used for the dressing, and then another 1/3 of a cup of slices we'll use in the salad. For the dressing, you need fresh or dried oregano. I'm using fresh from my garden. Cilantro, 3/4 of a cup. A 1/4 cup of onion, a nice hunk of jalapeno pepper. You could also use pickled jalapeno. 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and let's not forget a good pinch of nice sea salt. I like using a mini food processor or a bullet for the dressing, but you could also mix it in a jar. Our 7 minutes are up. It's time to drain the beans and rinse with cold water. Pat them dry with some paper towel and transfer them to your serving bowl. Mix in a couple of tablespoons of your dressing and refrigerate the beans for 20 minutes while you prepare the rest of the vegetables. Cut the kernels off a cooked cob of corn. Cut up some tomatoes, an avocado, and time to assemble. Give your salad a taste, and you may need to add a little more dressing. I think you'll love the combination of flavors in this summery salad. Thanks so much for joining us today. Come back next week. We'll be talking about stone fruits, peaches, nectarines, and the like.